Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to organize my cabinet here where I keep the dishes and all the pans and everything for cooking. So it is not that bad, but I just want to put my new dishes and try to take out all the dishes that I don't use, because sometimes you have so many dishes it's even difficult to take out like something that you need because there are a lot of dishes. So today we're gonna do this together, guys. So let's do this, guys. So let me show you a quick look inside. So here I have all the dishes, like my pots, and here I have my pan, and here I have the I don't know how you call pot cover or whatever. And there I have the things that I never use. But oh my god, everything is so crazy here. Before was all nice. I'm going to use this paper down here so that I can protect this. So, and I have my new pot there. So I'll remove the other pot that I don't use and I will keep the new ones. So let's get started. See, everything is empty. I'm going to clean first before putting the paper. Yeah. I put in a little bit of soap to remove this thing. I don't know if I can remove it, but yes. I just want to leave everything so white without any mark. So now I want to start to put this. Yeah. I don't know if it can fit, but I'll try. It wasn't so long. So I'm just gonna use the first one first up here, and then maybe later I'll go to the store and get another one. But for now I'm going to use only this one to put up here. I think I prefer to use this part here. This other part is so shiny and I just don't like this style. Here I have my IKEA pan, so I'm just gonna keep this one and the other one there. So I'm just gonna keep only two pans for now. I'm going to put this here. And let me see. So I'm using this. So I normally use this most of the time for the pasta, like almost every day. So I'm going to keep this and to keep like this, all of these things together. For mashed potato, I'm going to keep this all in one box. And maybe this one. Yeah. This I'll keep here because these are the things that I use all the time. I want to keep it more close so that when I need, I don't have to go back and search for everything. Here I have the new dishes. I'm going to keep them here. So in here I'm going to put the things for baking, and I have to buy even the things for baking new ones because I just don't like the old one, because this one was wedding present and I just don't like the color. I prefer silver. So yeah, for now I'll keep this, but later there are two pieces of this and then later I will buy new ones. This one I'm going to put down here. I'm done, guys. So this is how I arrange. As you can see, let me show you guys one by one. So here I have the pot. I have other ones are dirty, I've been using them. And here I have like things like this, like for the pasta, strainer for the pasta, two of them, and I think I show you, you know. So, and down here I have my front pan, and here I have the cover for the pot. I normally don't bake so much, so here I kept the things for baking, but I think I'm going to put this well, because these ones I don't use so much. The other one are the one that I use, so I'm going to turn it. Yeah, so in here I have my cutting board. So I think things are well now. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So this is how I arrange part of my cabinet where I put my dishes. And subscribe to my channel, because then the next video I'll be showing you guys how I arrange my food inside my cabinet. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye bye, have a good day.